EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Market here with your outlook for April 16th, 2019. We're going to start off the day with mostly sunny skies as high pressure is in control. And we'll have a warm front that's going to start working its way into the region. And it's going to be kind of sticking over the area for the next couple of days. So there's going to be more clouds than sun once it gets established. And we'll have an opportunity for a few showers, mainly across the northern areas today. And that's going to be late in the day and the evening here. As we progress through the day, as this warm front moves in. You can see a few showers here on the global models later in the afternoon and then the evening. You can see that right here, indicated here by the globals as we go to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. And I'm going to start this off at 7 p.m. A few showers across far northern Pennsylvania and parts of northeastern Pennsylvania at this point. And it's pretty much going to stick around there through the evening hours. So it doesn't get too far south. So places like Philadelphia over to Harrisburg, you're probably in the clear. Just going to have that increase in clouds late in the day and the evening, but I don't think you're dealing with any shower activity. Some of those can make it as far south as I-78 here, Lehigh Valley, parts of northern New Jersey, but they're just very light showers and not a real big deal. And then once we get through the night, this front still hangs around, but the rain associated with it dissipates going into Wednesday, and then we just have an opportunity for just a spotty shower here on Wednesday. With mostly cloudy skies across the entire region. Again, that frontal boundary is going to be stalled over the region for about 2 days, and then at any point during that 2-day period, you could have a quick shower here, and just progressing through the NAM here. You can see that continuing through parts of Wednesday. Maybe Wednesday night you have a better chance of showers in the overnight going into Thursday morning, but other than that, that's all you're really dealing with the next couple of days. So more clouds and sun. Temperatures are going to be in the 60s, but they're going to be near average for this time of year for the next couple of days. And that warm front is finally going to press off to north here during the day here on Thursday. And it'll be well off to the north as we get into the overnight on Thursday and into Friday. Now, this next system coming in is going to be a cold front, very similar to the system we just had a few days ago, with 2 days ago with the severe weather in the overnight period. This one has severe potential as well, so we're going to have to keep a close eye on this as it moves eastward on Friday. This will be later in the day, not an overnight thing. And there you see there's some, it's showing some very heavy rain with this as well, but this is probably because of the model picking up on the fact that there's going to be a squall line of storms here. And, of course, with any thunderstorms, you have that, and a squall line, you have very heavy rain with a thunderstorm associated with that. So it might be throwing these numbers a little bit higher, but we also have low pressure trying to form along the boundary that could enhance the rainfall along the front. So very high precipitable water values out ahead of this front because we have a southerly wind flow out ahead of the front. So it could be some heavy rain and also some gusty winds. I think this is more straight line wind type event here versus tornado, as opposed to 2 days ago when we're dealing with a tornado threat. Actually, speaking of that, we actually had 3 confirmed tornado reports in our area. One was up here in Union County, right about here. Another one, actually 4, I'm sorry. One was here, one was up in Columbia County, just to the northeast of there, and then up in Susquehanna County, and we had another one that was a completely different cell. This is all the same cell up in these areas here, moving north and east, and we had another one down here in Sussex County, Delaware, right on the border, or near the border of Maryland, the eastern shore of Maryland. So there was for this area to have 4 tornadoes, that's pretty impressive, especially the fact that it is the month of April. Again, I don't think we're dealing with that here so much on Friday, but we're still not at the point where we can look at soundings and really dive into those and determine that. But I really think we're dealing with a straight line wind threat and some heavy rainfall with this system coming in here on Friday. So this is going to come through on Friday and come into the overnight. Again, the storms are going to continue into the evening and overnight. And then it lifts off to the north on Saturday, but we do have an upper level low that's going to be hanging over the region. This is a cutoff low, and with that cutoff low in the vicinity, there could be showers over the weekend, but I don't think it's going to be an all-day thing. This is looking at Saturday, and it doesn't really show too much across our area at all here on the globals, but this could certainly change with that upper level low influence in the area. And it is starting to look a little bit better on Monday. Upper level low on Sundays will be the upper level low moving further east. If that's the case, Sunday will be a lot better with this system offshore, but still kind of more clouds in the sun here on Sunday also. So it looks a little bit better than it did yesterday, but this is a very volatile situation with that cutoff low sitting over the region that could produce a shower at any time over the weekend, either Saturday and or Sunday. So we'll watch this closely, but it does look like it's going to move off the coast here on Monday, and we're back to mostly sunny skies here on Monday and warmer temperatures as we head into the early part of next week. The same system sitting off the coast here, but will not be influencing our weather here on Monday, and another frontal boundary looking to come in toward the middle of next week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for April 16th, 2019. Have a great Tuesday.